My name is Chad Sprague. I am the owner of Unlimited Blind and Window Cleaning out of Carson City, Nevada. We service houses, we service commercial buildings. I want to give you guys a little tutorial on basically what we do and things you can use in your home that make it easier for you. So we're going to teach you how to pull screens today and how to clean windows and how to clean screens. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to clean the screen. Get it away from the window we just cleaned. Set this up on flat. Goes down both sides of the screen. There's a little rubber gasket in here that holds that screen on. If we try to get the water off hitting this way, we're gonna knock that loose. So we're gonna hit it from this direction. Remove the water. Dry the frame.
How long does it take to dry out that screen?
It's dry.
It's dry.
It is dry.